Today, I will share with you real data from my dashboards, my analytics, everything to help you reach $100 per day working from home online. I believe this is one of the most important videos I ever published simply because it's based on real data showing you everything, how much time, money, what you need to do exactly, and what's nice, all condensed in a couple of minutes. Keep watching. Before we start, just to be honest with you, what I'm going to explain now requires at least 6 to 12 months to achieve. There is no magic here. I'm sharing with you real data based on more than 6-7 years experience working online. So let's explain the idea. When you want to work online, mainly you have two paths. To select one type of businesses and go with and build it so you have one income stream, or you can simply build a business online with multiple income streams. And this is what we need. So if you go now to my dashboards, this is the first website. You can see I am making around $100 per day, sometimes more, sometimes less. If you go here to Google AdSense, to the reports section, if you filter the last 30 days, you will see the last 30 days I made around 1,800. So the average is $62 per day. If you go to this website, Jarvis, you can see I have around $208 pending. If you go here to CJ, let's filter this month, you can see I have around $770 commission earnings. If you go here to my academy, you can see per month I'm making around 1,000 something, 1,800, 1,700. And so on. If you go here to Udemy, you will see I have around $90,000 in revenue from the day I started. And by the way, soon I will share with you a full case study, full video on how to make $100,000 selling digital products. So stay tuned and turn on notifications to get every new update. So the idea is simply mixing different income sources to reach at least $100 and to make sure that you will make $100 every single day, as you can see here. So what are these income sources? What are those things? Let's see together. So let's start with the first income source, monetizing your website with ads. There's a service called eZayak. It's like Google AdSense, if you know Google AdSense, when you can publish ads on your website. If you go to my website, 8 Super Tools, I think if you are following, you know it. You can see here I have ads, and these ads are from eZayak. You can see here. If you go to another tool, you will see now, let's search for any word here in the YouTube keyword tool. You will see we have this ad from Google AdSense. So I am monetizing my website with both Google AdSense and eZayak, and they are fully compatible with each other. What's nice about eZayak, it will use some machine learning algorithms to understand what are the best ads for your users to give the best experience and the best ad revenue. And you can see here when I started with $13, then $50, $52, then it increased to $83, then $135 per day, as you can see numbers here in the screen. In my experience till now, eZayak is one of the best platforms to monetize your website. So if you have a website monetized with Google AdSense, you can switch and try eZayak if you want. Please now focus on what I'm going to mention. I will share with you some really super important points when you want to use Google AdSense or monetize with ads. Number one, if you go to this website in Google, it will share with you the 3 types of websites to make high value AdSense earnings. Number one is a blog. In my case, I have this blog, inquicksticks.com. So I applied this website type on this blog. And by the way, InQuickSticks is a project I started where I share book summaries. So you can read any book in minutes. Go and check it if you want. The second type is forum website. You can build a forum. I explained this before and just want to summarize things now and give you some really important tips to help you succeed in Google AdSense and monetizing with ads. Forum website, it's like on my website, educate/forum. If you go now here, you will see this forum. Let's open other browser to show you the ads. It's monetized with ads. This is the forum here. And you can see these are Google AdSense ads. Here it doesn't appear because I'm the admin. So this is the second website. I also applied it. The third website is a free online tool website. I also developed 8 Super Tools, which is a tools website. What's nice about forums and tools website, you don't need to create content. You publish a tools website, you just need to get more traffic to increase your earnings. This is very important. I explained this in detail before, but I want to share with you some real case studies now. This is my second website, SEO SEO Analyzer, and you can see here, if you open any page, you will see it's monetized also with Google AdSense. What is SEO Analyzer? It's simply a script I bought from Code Canyon. You can see Tirbo Website Reviewer. This is the script I bought, I downloaded, I hosted it, and this SEO Analyzer monetized with ads. You can do this also. But do you know what's the main problem here when I explain this topic? Everyone went and bought the same exact script. Friends, please, when I explain something, just be creative and search for something that makes you unique. So I bought this website. I also bought an add-on, the SEO tools. If you go here, you will see a set of SEO tools here. So to increase the traffic and engagement on the website and increase my earnings. This is the first tip. Other thing, what I did also, I went to Code Canyon. I bought this script, Worth My Site, Website Value Calculator, and the Tirbo Spinner Article Rewriter. So I think these scripts are somehow related to SEO tools. So what I'm going to do is I will host them. If you go here to my hosting server, this SEO Analyzer, you can see I create a folder for Site Worth Calculator, and I will host it in this folder here. This will help me to get direct approval from Google AdSense. If you go here to Google AdSense sites, you will see SEO Analyzer is already accepted. So if I host this script under the same domain, it will get auto-approved. So I can get a new website monetized with AdSense with auto-approval. The second advantage is I will save the hosting costs because it's hosted on the same server. So auto-approval from AdSense and saving the hosting cost. Another thing you have to take care of when you work with Google AdSense and monetizing is high CPC keywords. If you go into SEO keyword research tool and we search for, let's say, email marketing, and let's select United States and search, you will see that this keyword, email marketing, has a very high CPC, $74. This will help you increase your earnings. So also you can create tools, content, forums about high CPC keywords to increase your ad revenue. So this is about Google AdSense in minutes or monetizing with ads. Try Ezoic. You can get some tools from Code Canyon, monetize with ads. You can host common tools together on the same website to get auto approval. You can create the blogs, whatever you want to create the first income source online. Let's go back to my dashboard to show you the numbers. If you want to reach $100 per day from Ezoic only, you need around 6,000 visits in that day. So 6,000 visits, you can see it's around $100 in my case. So this is the average numbers if you are aiming to reach $100 per day only from Ezoic. What we are explaining today is combining multiple income sources that you are going to see right now. The second income source is selling digital products. Now in my case, I am selling courses. This is my academy. If you go here, academy.heducate.com, you can see I am selling some digital courses here. And this is my dashboard. Now, if I want to sum up the idea of selling digital product, we have mainly two methods. To create a digital product, like a course, an ebook, anything digital, and then to run paid ads on Google or on Facebook and Instagram, so you can sell directly in a very short period. The second method is to build a digital product and sell through your content. You know, here I have my website, I have a blog, a forum, I have a lot of things. If you go here to my academy, you can buy courses directly from my website or services to buy my other digital services. So you can build a website, create content, build your audience, then sell, or simply like other people do who create the digital product and directly advertise with paid ads. Now, if you don't have the budget, you need to start with the first method that we are explaining in detail, step by step, in our online business series. If you don't know, here on my channel, I started a new series that you will never find something similar on the internet, simply because we are building a real business live together, and I'm showing you everything step by step. Today we are in part 9, I think. If you didn't watch yet, go and join us right now. It's totally free, nothing to pay for. Just go and watch, learn and implement, and you'll be successful. The third income source is affiliate marketing. You can see here is CJ.com or Commission Junction. I explained this also before. This is another income source with affiliate marketing. I have also Jarvis, join Jarvis affiliate program. Today I have around around $208. What's nice about Jarvis and similar affiliate programs, mainly two things. They have recurring commission, 30% recurring commission. So when you refer a customer, you get paid every single month. And the second important thing, the attachment rate. Jarvis, web hosting companies, some SEO companies and services, they have a high attachment rate. What does this mean? Simply it means when you sign up to these services, it's somehow hard to cancel your service. Like in email marketing, when you build your funnels, your email list, it will be hard for the customer to exit and migrate to another service. So find services with high attachment rate and recurring commission to build like a money-making machine, recurring income every single month by promoting once. I explained also this in detail here on my channel. You can find the description below. So to sum things up, build a business based on multiple income streams. You can start with monetizing with ads, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. Combine them together in 6 to 12 months. Believe me, if you work every day for 2 to 3 hours, you can reach $100 per day. And what's nice, later on, you can automate things and turn like 80% of the business into passive income. So why not start today and set a target goal for 2022 to reach $100 per day and change your life? By the way, when I say change your life, I don't mean that money is everything. I will not talk, watch this video.
When I was 17, I read a quote that went something like, "If you live each day as if it was your last, someday you'll most certainly be right." It made an impression on me, and since then, for the past 33 years, I have looked in the mirror every morning and asked myself, if today were the last day of my life, would I want to do what I am about to do today? And whenever the answer has been no for too many days in a row, I know I need to change something. Remembering that I'll be dead soon is the most important tool I've ever encountered to help me make the big choices in life. Because almost everything, all external expectations, all pride, all fear of embarrassment or failure, these things just fall away in the face of death, leaving only what is truly important. Remembering that you are going to die is the best way I know to avoid the trap of thinking you have something to lose. You are already naked. There is no reason not to follow your heart. About a year ago, I was diagnosed with cancer. I had a scan at 7:30 in the morning, and it clearly showed a tumor on my pancreas. I didn't even know what a pancreas was. The doctors told me this was almost certainly a type of cancer that is incurable, and that I should expect to live no longer than 3 to 6 months. My doctor advised me to go home and get my affairs in order, which is doctor's code for prepare to die. It means to try and tell your kids everything you thought you'd have the next 10 years to tell them in just a few months. It means to make sure everything is buttoned up so that it will be as easy as possible for your family. It means to say your goodbyes.
I think you get my point. Don't forget, smash the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications, and see you in the upcoming videos.